Hey guys, today we got the new RS3M 2020 edition from MoYu. I'm super excited for this cube because the price is only $9 and I heard that the performance is actually really outstanding. So let's get right into it. So inside the box, we get the cube and an accessory box as expected because all MoYu cubes come with this accessory box. Ooh, we also get a stand. Cool. Here's the cube. So the cube actually feels quite compact on the surface. I believe this is an upgrade to the normal, or actually the original version of the RS3M because the older version of it feels quite bubbly and this one feels quite compact, which is a very good thing because I like compact cubes. And we can see that the shades have been changed to a darker version compared to the older version, which I don't really have right now, but we can actually compare to the Meilong. They have the same colors, which is very good because I personally think that the Meilong color shades are quite good. Without further ado, let's get into first turns. I get some lockups when turning the cube. I believe it's because of the tight tensions, because as you can see, tensions are quite tight, so that actually affects corner cutting. Right now the corner cutting can only it can only cut like just a bit. And the reverse it's actually really good. The reverse, it cuts quite easily, but not too far. So my first impression of this cube is it turns quite smooth, but it has a bit of sandiness, but I'm sure that the sandiness will go away after you break in the cube. But I quite like the sandiness. I hope the sandiness could actually retain after breaking in. I'm actually experiencing some overshooting, probably because the cube is too fast. I need to use some thicker loops to actually slow down the cube to make the cube controllable so that it won't overshoot that much. As you can see, this new version has square off corners, which is to prevent corner twisting. As for the magnet strength, I think that the magnets inside this cube are quite weak. I'm not sure if it's enough to stabilize the cube because of the weak magnets. I've experienced in my WRM that the magnets are quite weak. The cube flexes a bit, so I have to double up some magnets. I'm not sure about this cube. If I really need a stronger magnetic version, I would definitely go pick one non-magnetic of this cube and then magnetize myself. Also, I forgot to mention that this cube has a glossy plastic, which I like. It's same as the Meilong 3x3M and it's different from the WRM. This cube does have the tensioning system that MoYu designed. You can actually compress the springs by using this tool and then put it on and then turn. There are in total of 9 clicks that you can compress the springs. I'm quite happy that MoYu actually uses this system on this cube. Let's have a look at the pieces real quick. The pieces look a lot like the WRM pieces. I believe they actually copied it a bit, I believe. I'm not quite sure though, but these two primary stocks are quite similar to the WRM, and we have some new added tracks. I believe is to get the cube to be more smoother. So should you buy this cube, I believe that this cube will be a main for a lot of top solvers because of its fast speed and good performance. Just by judging it out of the box, it's already good. You don't need much setup to actually make the cube good. It's just good out of the box. But one con I'm experiencing is that it has spring noise just out of the box. You have to actually put loop and then set it up yourself to get rid of this spring noise. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any questions. So, goodbye.